Awooga! You good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's good.
What is it? Ginger?
Not the ginger root type, ginger flower.
Come on, focus. When did they shut down this highway? I'm getting more muddy walking this than when we did Coolio. Oh. Oh, I see some ferns along the wall over there. Are those ferns? Bird's nest ferns? They kind of look like these ones here. We're on the hunt for big, fat ferns. Ferns! Ferns! Are those things not giant ferns? Just grass. And they're getting a nice size. This is nothing. I mean, is that just not the most beautiful thing behind Coolio? Strike a pose, babe. People hike up these mountains. That one up there. You want to go bag that shark fin next? Yeah. Yeah, do they use the tea leaves for Lala?
Traditionally, yeah, but I think nowadays they use bananas.
Do you know what kind of fern they are?
Mule's foot fern.
Mule's foot fern. Can't wait to have Farrah Fawcett hair after all this is said and done. Who needs to pay for a 70s blowout when you can just go to a place with a bunch of wind while your hair is still wet? Oop. Oh, this isn't paved anymore. Whoa. What are these things? Hala? H-A-L-A. Wow, that is so cool. Uh-oh. We got some more ferns coming in here. Check this out.
There it is.
You found it? Fuck yeah. Woohoo! Ferns. Oh man. That thing's gigantic.
Yeah. I wish it had. Oh yeah, look at the fiddleheads. Look how big they are.
Smells like a poop over here.
A poop? Yeah.
Like a human poop. Where are the fiddleheads?
In the center. Look at.
Holy moly! Wow, that thing is gigantic. That thing is like taller. It's like 15 to 20 feet tall fern. Another tea plant. Look at all these ferns. Oh boy. Here we go. It's mucking time, baby. Yeah.
It's this native hibiscus tree.
Ooh. Called a how. H-A-U. Hibiscus. That's so cool. It's like a network. That was fun.
I think that's cool enough.
Yeah. I say so. Just rocking my windswept Billy Ray Cyrus bang. What do you think?
It's gorgeous. How does she do it?
Just stand in the wind for 20 minutes and that's it. No styling products needed.
Nice. Do a flip.
I can only do a front flip, but I can't land on my feet. I gotta warm up first for that.
Do a flip. It gets you so close to the mountains.
Yeah. Waterfall. Oh! I wonder if we can pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Giggity gorgeous. Another waterfall. Right there.
Nice. Two side by side.
Oh, baby.
There's waterfalls in every crevice.
Oh, baby.
In every crevasse.
Never crevasse. Now we get to go back to the land of dry and only snow. I look like a fucking potato too. A happy potato.
Sad potato.
A happy and sad potato. You look like a sweet potato. You're so sweet. You look like a golden Yukon potato.
You look like a yam.
What's the difference?
A yam and a sweet potato?
Yeah, what's the difference?
A yam is not as nutritious. It's just sugar.
Oh.
It's different.
Much to think about.
Bye, Hawaii.
We love you.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff. Wow.